Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we got a nice little treat for everybody, except for the kids, you know. This is an adult setting here. This is going to be holiday libations. And what we're going to do is make a holiday thing of Carmel Apple drink, thanks to Crown Royal. So it's going to be hopefully a quick video. Me and Penny are going to try a little shot of this and see what it tastes like. But anyway, without further ado, let's get to it. It's going to be good. Like a rhinestone cowboy. See, I can sing. Okay, Penny and I have tried both of these separately. But as you can see, these are brand new boxes we got here because we drank the other stuff separately. But this time, we're putting them together, so I'm going to have to wing it a little bit. But anyway, the ingredients are Crown Royal salted caramel. That's this one here. And this one is Crown Royal Regal apple. Now, they both taste good on their own, but we're going to make a caramel apple recipe that's on the back of this box. So we're going to unbox them. And they come in nice little bags. I don't know if you guys had Crown Royal before, but I've done it a bunch over the years. Okay, so we have one apple. Well, we have a whole apple. We're not going to use it. We got some lemon juice, 2 glasses with some ice cubes. We have a shot glass so we can measure the booze and the other stuff, and we have a can of ginger ale. So, unboxing. Look at that. That's a nice looking bag right there, huh? That's the caramel one. And then here, I'm just going to take this out just to show you. It's brand spanking new. We've had it in the refrigerator, so it's nice and cooled off. Okay? Then we're going to open up this one. I used to do regular Crown Royal. Derek, if you're out there, you know. But anyway, this here, that's the apple. So, without further ado, let's get to the horn. Okay, so what we're going to do, it says to take 3/4 of an ounce. Oh boy. Hold on. Okay, a little measuring cup. I don't want to get everybody dizzy, but that's an ounce up to this line. So we're going to do 3/4 of the way here. Okay, we got about 3/4 of an ounce on that one, just to try to show you guys a little bit. So put that one in here. Do that again. That was pretty good. 3/4 of an ounce. Okay, that goes in here. Then we're going to put 1 ounce of the apple. It's hard pouring these things, really. And that smells good already. Oh, I love that apple one. We had that last year, right, Pen? That's pretty good. Okay. Let me, okay, let me see how much lemon juice here. I just put a squirt in there, but that's a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice there. So we'll just, I don't want to eyeball it because in case, you know, there's a recipe for this. So we're going to put a 1/2 ounce. That's an approximation, even though I'm measuring it, but, you know, That's another one. That's a lot of lemon juice, if you ask me. Okay, then we have 4 ounces of a ginger ale, huh? All right, so we'll pop this open. And see, the ginger ale mark is way up here at the top. That's where the jackass is. I don't know who's the jackass. Me, probably. Okay, here you go. 4 ounces. And now we're going to do 4 ounces in this one. And then what we're going to do, little decorative thing here, we got some apple. We're just going to hang that on the cup. And we're going to hang this one on this cup. Give it a little quick stir, and then we're going to put some more ice in there. And my friends, there you have it, the adult version of a candy caramel apple. Okay, so let me give you a little shot here. It looks nice. There you go. Huh? All right, so now we're going to meet at the taste test sipping table. Okay, we decided, or I decided, we're just going to do a cheers. What you're going to see is a couple cups here. Cheers, happy holidays to everybody, happy Thanksgiving, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Holiday treat just for you. That's pretty good. Okay, my friends, we're not going to sit down right now, but we're going to tell you happy holidays to everybody. Remember to cover up when you're out and about. Cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're in the car, put some of that sanitizing stuff on there, wash them up real good. Don't talk with your mouth full of liquid. Don't waste it. Give us a like, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't yet. This is Mr. Dan. For now, we are out.